Everyone, this is Rock from Carlife. Here is the testing. We're testing the BMW CCC system, E60 and E90 or others. Check. This is the testing connectors. Connect here. Okay. So we can see here if the CCC, the LVDS cable is square. So check. Okay. Check it from. This is the 8.8 inch Android. Okay. Set here, and now we power on. And this we will test the mirror link from the USB for some climates. Some clients don't know how to use it. And why this is no synchronous, because we didn't connect the CD radio to it, so no problems. Just check. Wait some time, and after the color changes to little dark, when you press it, it will change, but now still wait some time. This will be the package, and this is the cell phone we will use. Okay, change. This is the main EVO UI for our Android screen. You can check. When you get it, if you press the video, here show this. You need to do some setup. Here. Good. Here to check the system. No, sorry. System. And click here. Okay. And from system information, you can go to factory by input the code 1314. Press OK. And this do not choose. Okay. And DVR, if you want to add the aftermarket, choose here, or the USB. Okay. So okay. Good. And we tell you how to install navigation. If we just send you the TV card, but do not install for you. First press the ES file and find the external SD card. You can find the icon here. Press. Okay, install next. Install. Just wait. And then open it. And to this CCC device, your car must have original AUX or added AUX. Aux is a must to this car to have the audio. Okay, remember this. Okay, this is the setup. Just choose. And here, this is just like sleep. Click. Now, choose yes. Next. Finish. Okay, so we didn't connect GPS signal, so just quit. Okay, and after you install the just press more. After you install the device, do like this, and you can choose the icon. Press 2, click it, and then OK. And then when you just press here, you can go to the icon. You can see. Okay, we don't waste time here. Go back. Okay. And the music, you can see. You press here, you can play many music. Got that. Bluetooth, just like other we test. Bluetooth, here is the Bluetooth music, and if you press setup, you can see here, you can pair the Bluetooth name. Okay. And the navigation, we have tested. Original car, when you press, you will go to your original car. Okay, go back. And here is the Safari internet video. Now you can see. Okay, first screen play. Okay, and from DVR we do not show here. Setting up, just I think not show anymore. Go back. And the dashboard. Dashboard, some kind of information. Okay. So phone link. Many people don't know how to connect phone link. As we showed, here is our USB for Android 6 of the Xiaomi cell phone here, and here's the USB connected. Okay, connected, and we need to just Now we click the phone link, and the cell phone is over here. Android USB. Focus. If here sometimes they unlock your mobile phone or others, just retry and take out the USB, retry again, and the problem will be solved. It's not a problem. A little slowly, we just take out, insert, press. Okay, press Android to check what will happen. We just wait to see if your link will work or not. Just wait to see. Oh, my USB cable is not so good. Try again. Here, please. Okay, connect. Disconnect. Connect. Okay. I check if I do the setup correct. Here first, okay, this is okay. Okay, our setup is okay, so we just wait. This time a little slowly. I think now our USB cable has some problems. We take that. And here if they choose MTP, Android USB. Okay, you see, works. So if you use your cell phone for the mirror link, must remember use a good USB cable, and you open the Bluetooth, and you can see. Take it out. Okay, you can see works. So if you have some problems like this, just keep patient and check your USB cable, check your cell phone setup and others. I think this is a very good testing. Here we show the video that has the problems. Okay, we quit this. If any of you have any interest of the BMW change screen of the Android, just contact with us. Thank you.